to be the case very early on in January. And again, this does look like a substantial threat. I've seen worse threats here in East Texas, full disclosure, but again, it is a threat of severe weather. It does need to be taken seriously. First, I want to talk about the good news. It was nice today. Look at these high temperatures. We were in the 70s for the most part. 74 in Crockett. Palestine, you guys were at 75. It was 74 in Athens, and we clocked in at 75 degrees in Sulphur Springs. Those temps, they have come down just a hair. We are in the middle to upper 60s now across the board. Look at Crockett. You guys are the warm spot at 70. It is 69 in Lufkin, and Center actually eclipsing Crockett's temperature by 2 degrees. They are at 72 degrees. Tomorrow, 75 degrees. That will be your high temperature, about an 80% chance of showers and storms, and it is all coming from this storm system off to our west. First and foremost, there are three things you need for severe weather. One is Gulf moisture. You notice the strong southerly winds that we had today. That is driving up that Gulf moisture from the Gulf of Mexico about 200 miles to our south into East Texas. So there you go. We've got the moisture. We have the strong winds. That's why we saw the warm temperatures today. And the strong winds will increase the second ingredient that we need, which is that instability. That leaves us with something that will provide enough lift for those storms to form, and that comes into play with this cold front right here that's just off to our west. It's kicking up some mountain snow across Arizona, Utah, western Colorado, parts of the Sangres in northern New Mexico there as well, and that is heading in our direction and will arrive as we move into tomorrow. So what does this mean? Well, the northeastern 2/3 of our viewing area is under an enhanced risk. That includes places like Rusk, Jacksonville, Henderson, Longview, Tyler, and Mineola. This is a level 3 on a scale of 1 to 5. Even if you're not in the enhanced risk tomorrow, you still have a slight risk of severe weather off to the southwest of that. That includes Lufkin, Crockett, Athens, into Canton, western Rains County, western Hopkins County. So everybody is under some type of severe weather, but this is the most concerning things. Area of S tornado. What does that mean, Carson? Well, it's an area of significant tornado. There's a 10% chance that any point within this red drawing here, a tornado occurs within 25 nautical miles, which is either at or exceeding EF2 strength. So this is the area we're going to have to watch for those severe thunderstorms to develop, and those have the highest potential of rotating. Another primary threat that we have tomorrow is the threat for some damaging winds. Here in the red, that is about a 30% chance that we see damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour within 25 miles of any given point. I know 30%, Carson, that doesn't sound like very much. Well, it is pretty significant because it's just on the higher amount. Now, the threat lessens as you move further off to the west, where we could see gusty winds, but still something we're going to have to keep an eye on. All right, let's set the stage for tomorrow. Don't be surprised if you see some drizzle, maybe some light rain early tomorrow morning. That's 7 o'clock in the morning there. We're still dry, but as we move into about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we start to see these storms intensify out to our west. Getting closer to 2 o'clock now, you can see in parts of Navarro and then into just to the southeast of Corsicana, we start to see these cells develop, and then they will move into East Texas, and we start to see those storms strengthen a little more. By 5 o'clock, our central counties are starting to get those showers and thunderstorms. By 8 o'clock, we're not done yet because our far eastern counties along the Texas-Louisiana border and all the way as far west as Lufkin and Nacogdoches will also start to see the storms, but then the front moves through, and that will effectively end our severe weather threat for the day. Now, here is the storm timeline, taking into account Futurecast and all the other models that we look at. Here's when I expect the storms. It's from about 11 to 3 for our far western counties. That includes Canton and Athens. For our central counties, including Mineola, Tyler, Jacksonville, Longview, and Gilmer, expect those storms between about 2 and 8 o'clock. Now, the further east you get, it's between 4 and midnight. That's when we can see the storms for Toledo Bend, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Henderson, Marshall, and Linden. So we're going to keep a very close eye on that, and just depending on how these storms materialize, will determine the severity in the storms, but I want you to be prepared for the worst, but hope for the best. And most of you, statistically speaking, are probably not going to see the severe weather, but it is something that I want you to be prepared for. 75 degrees, that's the high temperature tomorrow. That's nearly 20 above average. As we look at the rest of your 7-day, we're at 66 Tuesday, 50s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Plenty of sunshine around, showers possible Saturday and Sunday, and then deep East Texas. There's your severe weather threat for Monday. Could see a lingering shower or two very early Tuesday morning, and then pretty cool Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Lauren?
Thank you, Carson. Now coming up on Fox 51 News.